Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, our today's topic is numbers in Python. So I create a new file which I named 05 numbers in Python .py. So as we know, and I teach you in the previous video, there are three types in numbers. The first one is int, the second one is float, the third one is complex number. So let's check them one by one. So I write here print function, and here I write like I want to print a integer number. So I press 2. A number without a decimal point is called integer, as you all know. So I write in double quotation, this is int. And when I this statement is print as it is on the screen, and as you can see, I put comma and after that 2. So 2 is an integer and this is a string. We will teach I will teach you about string in next video. But so when we run this, so it will show us this is int 2. Okay, after that I again write print quotation, this is float number. Comma 6.8. After that I again write print and I write here this is complex number. Ij 3 plus ij. You study all these types in mathematics, so these are the same uh, number types as we studies in our maths. So I run, sorry, 3 plus ij, 3 plus 1j, sorry, complex number. So as you can see, it prints this is int 2 without decimal point, this is float like 6.8, 7.8, and this is complex 3 plus ij or 3 plus 2j, whatever you want to add. So these are the number types of numbers and numbers, and in the next video we'll study about string. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.